Anybody know what I'm talking about? You go, it's certain rooms that you can't go into, certain couches you can't sit on.
Amen.
Why you got to go if you don't want nobody to sit on?
Right.
Yeah, I don't understand. Yeah, see, you said certain things you can't touch. Well, I look at myself, and I need you as men and young ladies and young men to look at yourself that way. I'm an antique high up on the shelf. When you go into an antique shop, you can touch certain things and pick it up. Oh, I think I might like this. I think, oh, this is nice. This is pretty. This is wonderful. There's certain things that you can touch. But the kind of person that I am, I'm that antique that you got to talk to the clerk about. And you have to
You better say that, man. Go ahead.
Right there. So my boy, when he comes, he got to go to the clerk, and his name is
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
and he has to say, can I see that one right there? And he has to approve it. Because you can't get it down unless the clerk approves it. So I need you to see yourself that valuable and that antique, that I'm up here on this shelf, and there's nothing that can bring me down. I can't fall off. I tried to jump off that shelf. I tried to get myself down to get into somebody's hands, but God blocked it.